Really went over the top with this thing.
Dude, this car is so nice.
It looks beautiful. I love it.
Thanks, bro.
This 72 Oldsmobile Cutlass was in good shape when we got her, but I wanted to make sure we took her to the next level of spectacular. My boys brought the best of the 80s to the interior by using parts from an 83 Olds, chopping the interior door panels by 5 inches and adding a gorgeous custom-made Kill Dove lightning rod shifter. Ryan's paint scheme honors the Hearst vibe of that era, but makes her modern with 6 scallop gold accents and a clean cream base. This Cutlass may not be a 442, but with the Counts Customs upgrades, she earns her place as a true gentleman's muscle car.